How to make video on RedNote. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open a RedNote application in your mobile device. Once you open the RedNote app, you want to go ahead and log in to your RedNote account. Now once you're logged into your RedNote account, you want to go ahead and tap on this red plus icon. Go ahead and tap onto it. Simply select camera from here, and then you'll have to make sure that video is selected. So now go ahead and take a video, and once you are done, simply tap on done right over here. Now as you can see that you have your video right over here, you can go ahead and tap on effect in order to add effect to your videos, and you can also tap on text and then type in the text that you wish to. Also, you can add stickers right over here. And once you're done with everything, simply tap on next. Now in this page, you can simply type in the title and then add your description. Also, you can go ahead and select the cover for your video, and you can even add your locations. Now lastly, you can select the audience for this video. You have different kind of options, so go ahead and choose the one that suits you the best, and once you're done, go ahead and tap on post. Well, that is simply how to make a video on RedNote. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.